What's up, Jeepers? How's it going? Sorry about my YouTube page. My YouTube page went off. It's still up, but it's just I'm not connected to it, so I'm not able to post up videos on there anymore, guys. So I got a new page now. Come check it out. Come subscribe, like my videos, and still check out my old videos as well. So we're gonna do a vacuum line review onto this Jeep Cherokee 1988 XJ. So with the vacuum lines, brings a lot of suction to the engine and the exhaust manifolds and everything like that. Helps out a lot. Keeps an equal balance within the engine. So we got one massive vacuum line right here that mostly connects a lot of them, and this one comes out towards this way right here, the top one, and then it goes out towards this bot. It goes out towards over here, and it goes all the way over here to this one right here. And one of these right here, the two plugs right here for the vacuum lines. This one right here helps out a lot with a lot of smoke inside here. It sucks it up a lot. So if you have a lot of smoke coming out of here and it's open, you need to connect that sucker. And then we got another one right here, the same one right here. This one right here gets connected to the front one over here, the vacuum line right here. So we got a front vacuum line right here. I'm not sure what it's used for, but I'm pretty sure it's for the cold air intake. You know what I mean? It's connected right to the air intake itself. And then now we have another vacuum line. It's the bottom one now we're talking about. Not the top one. We just talked about the top one right now. The bottom one comes out towards over here, to this way right here. And then it goes over here. It goes over here, then it goes all the way around over here, the air control box, or the cold air intake, and then it goes over here to the Egr Solenoid. And this Egr Solenoid is very important actually. It controls the Egr itself, and it's sensing and stuff like that. You know what I mean? It releases gases and emission, fumes and shit like that from the exhaust. So it helps out a lot really. So whenever you run, it makes them run smoother. And you got this line right here that's connected to the Egr valve. It comes from the solenoid Egr valve. Usually it's from behind. Usually it's going from behind, but it's okay for now because I messed up last time and I broke it, so I had to make a little thing. But yeah, comes out back over here to this lining right here. Then it's the top one now. This is the one that gets connected over there, and then it comes out towards this way, so it's like a little line. And this one's gonna be going connected to the Egr valve. So we're gonna be going over here. So it goes like that, like that, like that, and it goes over here to the Egr valve. And you see right there the connection. There it is, the connection right there. Connects in right there for the Egr valve. And then there's another connection right there for something else that's connected. I'm pretty sure it's something like a mechanism connected to the Egr valve. So I would make sure you have all those lines that are connected right there, guys. Yeah, I know these lines look a little cheap, but yeah, so far so good. You know what I mean? And we also got another vacuum line for the gasoline pressure right here. The gasoline, I forgot the fuck they call this right here. But you need this sucker connected right away because this helps out a lot within the gasoline and it coming through and pushing it through. You know, pulling it's helpful. You know what I mean? Helps it out a lot. That's very important right there. And it's very important to have these lines connected up too, guys. Okay. So let's talk about this one too as well. I forgot what the hell they call this one. They call it a weird name. So it's like just wording pretty much. But this lines right here is going to be going connected over here, right underneath the two ones we have right there. So this line will go connected right there. That's connected to right there. Then we have this other line right here. This is a very important line. Mine was collapsed last time, so I just replaced it with this little cheap shit for now. So remember to get some new ones as soon as possible. But it goes connected to right here. This little sucker right there. And it comes from the back one. That's the back one. The front one comes over here to the cold air intake. Then we got another vacuum line, and this one, you know, if y'all are confused about this one, it's okay. This vacuum line is a very important one for your AC system and, you know what I mean, the heater and stuff like that. To help it out more, push out more air. But this vacuum line is going to be coming right here. Connected to the manifold again, another one. And it goes all the way over here to the vacuum ball. You have a big vacuum ball down there. The big old vacuum ball down there. When you look down there and you're going to there, guys, the big old vacuum ball. Make sure all those lines are hooked up to make sure your AC is doing good. And see how you can see we have more vacuum lines right here, and they go connected to right here. So the heater control valve vacuum line, and then we got the regular AC vacuum line as well. Those help out tremendously a lot, guys, within everything on your heating system and your cooling system. So now we need to talk about one more vacuum line. This one's the one that got me trouble, guys, and we need to do this quick because I'm running out of time. So we got this vacuum line going into the throttle body. Nowadays, this vacuum line's not here at all. Through the throttle bodies on the 97s or 96, I'm not sure, onto the XJs. They finally built it in actually nowadays. But with this one's here for this vacuum line, and make sure you don't disconnect this sucker right here. If you do disconnect this sucker right here, make sure you guys disconnect the battery, I would say, just in case anything happens to the map sensor, because the map sensor will knock off and shoot a lot of exhaust smoke out of your exhaust pipe, and pretty much it's not going to measure out the exhaust fumes and the gasoline and everything, you know, the air going in through and stuff like that. It's not controlling it. There's no good temperature. There's no good pressure sense and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So if it's no good sense, it's going to start shaking and jittering and roughing idle, and it's going to be horrible, guys. Trust me. Just get a new map sensor and get a lifetime warranty too. Don't get no 1 year. Get a lifetime warranty, because if it's a 1 year, it's only going to last for 1 year. That's all I got to say, guys. And that map sensor is very important, guys. I want to let y'all know that right there. So, comment or anything like that if I did miss out. I think I got the charcoal canister as well. Some of the newer Jeeps don't have this. That's why I'm not mentioning it as much. But some of the Jeeps don't have this right here. But if y'all do have this, make sure you have this connected into here, guys. And that should be about it. And if anything, I'll make a video onto the headliner I just took off a while ago. So keep up with that right there, guys, okay? And I'll catch you guys later. And this is my new YouTube page, guys. Come check it out. And, you know, come like it. You know what I mean? Do what you got to do. Just watch the videos and ask questions and comments and concerns. You know what I mean? Anything whatsoever. Just take a good look at these vacuum lines real quick onto how they're hooked up and everything. Make sure they're all sealed too, because you don't want no vacuum leaks. You'll be running rich within your exhaust system. Alright, guys. So hopefully I wasn't too quick for y'all, guys. Hopefully I did it manageable and y'all listened up. And just remember all these connections, where they go and everything like that, okay? Because sometimes people get the connections by just looking at the video. Just by looking at the video, you can just look around and be like, oh, there's that connection goes to there. Or that connection goes to there. And that connection goes to there. Why is mine not like that? People get confused, guys. People get confused. So let me know if I made any mistakes or anything like that, guys, okay? I'll catch you guys later. Later.